Never do these 5 core exercises if you are struggling with sciatica. The first exercise is our crunch exercise because crunches can increase pressure on that disc, which will then put more pressure on the nerve because of this flexion-based load that you are seeing right here. The second exercise, for the same reason, our Russian twist, flexion with rotation. This is also involved in these leg raises because you're flexing the lower back, but you're extending the legs in this one too, which increases nerve tension, as you can see in this video right here, which is why stretching your hamstrings typically does not feel good if you are dealing with sciatica. Then, that applies to these leg raises. You're extending the nerve and you're getting flexion. And finally, the Supermans, they just don't agree with a lot of people who have sciatica. If you would like to know the 4 exercises that I recommend for sciatica, then go to my YouTube channel to watch the full video. And if you go to the link in my bio on this TikTok, then you can schedule a free call with my team so we can teach you how to fix your sciatica.